Bentastico beats.
What's good? What's goody? What's happening? It's your boy Ben, and don't forget Bentastico. Today, I'm currently in my hometown, Bainet. This is exactly, right? Look behind me. This is exactly where I was born. This is exactly where I was raised. This is exactly where everything happened. So today, I'm in my hometown, Bainet, and my uncle went and got me some sugarcane, and I just wanted to make a little video showing y'all how I'm about to eat the sugarcane. Let's go. Alright, so as y'all can see behind me, he got the machete in his hand. He's slicing the skin off. Alright, so this is one that he skinned off for me, and we about to eat it. Let's go. Let me show y'all something. Ooh. You know what I mean? Let me show y'all something. This right here. Alright, this is right here.
Cita tua hu wait, moi moi cita hu wang. Oba moi kan gatom. Apa wait just
It's right here. You know what I mean? So this house right here is exactly, man, this is where I was born, so I'm always happy when I come here. You know, I have a lot of memories here. I remember, you know, when I was young, just walking around here naked, no shoes on, just running around having fun, enjoying nature. So every time I get back here, you know, I always think back of when I was growing up here. So, you know, I'm happy. I don't even know what to say. I'm just happy to be home. Shout out my boy Denny Saga. Shout out my boy Denny Saga.
Qui va prendre non? Pas vraiment me la Denny Saga monsieur.